just started. All I really did was take the bolt out. Here's my SKS that I'm working on. My stuff, first one ever. First gun restoration I'm ever doing by myself. And the first gun restoration I've ever done in general. So, pretty excited. And hopefully this will be a good one. Alright, thanks. Alright, I got all my parts for my gun right here in Mineral Spirits. As you can see it there, it's not just seeing it, it's pretty clear. But yeah, just got that in Mineral Spirits. And I'm gonna let that chill out there for like overnight. Just make sure everything's under order, got all my bolts, everything, and I'll start on the stock now. Alright, I'm back in here. I got my stuff. That's the stuff I already got off my gun. It's disgusting. Like cosmeline and dirt and grime and crap. Now, a lot of people use water, I heard. Now, that's not the best thing to use because although the steam does get hot and it opens up the pores, it kind of warps the wood. Everyone knows water warps wood. So you're going to use crud cutter. That's the best thing. Crud cutter right there. And you're going to want to use an hair dryer. And you're just going to keep you're going to blow on it for like a couple seconds. Turn it off. Spray, 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 spray. And you're going to get your thing right here and your scrub all the way through. And you just get this and you wipe all that crap off. That's what you get right there. Crap. Now this is a side I haven't done really like past here yet. That's also needs to go. You can see the difference there. But look at that. That's what it looks like on that side compared to that. You can already see it's starting to look like a real actual firearm right now. Stock, a nice stock. Now still this has to get down to bare wood. There's still a lot of oil and crap in there in the wood that I'm going to need to get out. So this is going to take a while, like hours probably. So, oh, and cheesecloth. Don't forget cheesecloth. You're going to, in the very end, once you get really tired of doing this process over and over again, it's really continuous. Throw that on there, the cheesecloth, string across, got that from my Rack Veteran 8888. And put the baking soda on there and it draws it out. Just leave it there for like 5 minutes. That's pretty much it. Gonna keep doing it. It's gonna take like 3 or 4 hours. So after about 4 hours, it's about 11 o'clock now. Started filming this at about 7. So about 4 hours, and many rags, and crud cutter, and a little bit elbow grease. We went from this color wood to this color. You see some spots like those, but you sand those out because they're actually kind of dense. Got inside there too. Did the whole inside. Yep. So, that was a lot of work. And here's my stuff over here. It's still in there. Check that. There's that. Water's starting to turn. Different color. Mineral Spirits. There's some stuff right there. Let's see if it goes away. Shit. Now wash your hands after touching this. And it kind of just floats right off. Yeah. That's what it should do. Actually, no, part above water.